Hi P6 girls. So this week we will talk about broken line graphs too. So here are the objectives. The first one is we have to construct, that means draw broken line graphs, and then we have to learn how to construct broken line graphs with each unit representing large numbers. And the third one is to construct broken line graphs with two broken lines. So you may refer to your math book page 30. So the shopkeeper of a shop record the sales of tissue paper last week in the table below, and it showed some numbers of packets, and it asked you to fill in the information of the vertical axis. So for vertical axis, that means here. Okay, so you can see that this is the division, so each division is equal to 10, and then you have to draw a cross on the squared paper to represent the data. So you may find some cross here. So you have to make some cross according to the data, and then join the cross together one by one in order. That means draw some straight line like this. And finally, you have to write a suitable title for the graph. That is this one. So actually we accept any reasonable title. So the title of this is Sales of Tissue Paper Last Week. Then you may refer to your math book page 31. So the shopkeeper also recorded the monthly income of the shop in the first half of last year in the table below. First of all, you have to round off the data. So here it asks you to round off the data to the nearest 100 at 1000. So like, for example, this one. For 1000 place, that is 3. Then we look at the digit at the right hand side. So if this is smaller than 5, so that means remain unchanged. That is 43000. Okay, so for this one, thousands place is 8, and then look at the digit at the right hand side, which is 8. That means 8 needs to add 1, that is 39. Okay, for this case, 9 is larger than 5, that means 79 needs to add 1, that is 80. Okay, so after we've got the data, we can plot the broken line graph. Now you may pause the video and then do math book page 31 and then check the answers by yourself. Have a look at your math book page 32, this question. The table below shows Christie's weight from age 1 to 7. She carelessly made a slot on the data for her weight at age 7. So it is known that Christie's weight increased constantly from age 4 to age 7. So what does it mean by increased constantly? So it means that the broken line graphs, the broken lines representing the weight of Christie from age 4 to 7 form a straight line. So in a broken line graph with two sets of data, so we will use different color lines to represent different sets of data. Like we will use blue color to represent Roy's weight, and we will use the black color to represent Christie. So sometimes we will use a straight line and a dotted line to represent different sets of data. And from the data, so Christie weight at age 4 is 19. That is here. And then at age 5, which is 22, which is here. And at age 6, that is 25, which is here. And then as it states that her weight increased constantly, that means there's a straight line. So we have to draw a straight line, join the cross together, and then we can estimate her weight at age 7, which is about 28. So actually this chapter is quite easy, right? So to consolidate what you have learned, you have to complete your math book page 33 and 35, and then you have to do math workbook chapter 18 and ME chapter 16, and we will post up the answer to Google Classroom later on. So that's the end of this video. See you.